Hello all my dear students, good afternoon all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tezip sir my dear students, and this is your 4th maths class. And my dear students, I hope you all remember we are going to learn a chapter number 4, a time. Okay, so in last session we have done my dear students a time, and then we will move on further a further topic. What is our new topic? So new topic is calculating a day, to find the number of the days and calculating a days. Got my points all of you what I am telling you? So my dear students, keep it in mind this topic, and then after we will be going to learn that topic. Okay, so first of all, take out your book my dear all students. Take out your book. All my dear students, take out your rough book and your compass box and your important stationery. Keep it with you, dear. So dear, please keep it in mind, these all things in your mind. Got my points all of you what I am telling you? And then after we will going to start our session calculating the time. What my dear students? Calculating a time. Okay, so now further we are in further topic to find the number of the days. Find the number of the days. Okay, example number 1 and example number 2. So all my dear students, before starting our new topic, first of all I am going to present here today's chord. What I am going to be present here? I am going to be present here today's chord. So let's check here what is the today's chord. So anything is possible, anything can be. Anything is possible, anything can be. Got my point? So my dear students, further we are going to do our new topic. What is our new topic? See, note down this new topic my dear students in your book. Calculating a time. Calculating a days. Sorry, not a time. Calculating a days. And further new topic is to find the number of the days. To find the number of the days. Got my points all dear students? Calculating a days, and then further topic is to find the number of the days. So note down these all things my dear students in your book. Do fast. Our new topic is what? Calculating days. Means we are first in last topic we have done the calculating the time duration, and here the calculating a days. We have to count, we have to calculate the days. Okay. So dear students, while calculating the days, we need to include the first day in our calculations, and sometimes we do not. While calculating a days, sometimes we need to include the first or last day in our means first day or last day in our calculations, and something we do not. In this example, we include both days. What my dear students? We have to include both days. Got my points all of you what I am telling you again and again? I hope you all are understood my dear students. Note down this all things. Keep it in mind dear all. So my dear students, again I am going to repeat for you. While calculating days, sometimes we need to include the first day or last day in our calculation, and sometimes we do not. In this example, we include both days. What my dear students? In this example, we include both days. What my dear students? What we have to include? We have to include both days. So now let's check the example number 1 dear. So example number 1. So all my dear students, let's check. We are going to learn the example number 1. Okay my dear students. Example number 1. Sakshi is the name of one girl volunteered to help out at any old age. How is home from the June 23rd to July 18th. So how many days did she volunteer? What, dear all students? Sakshi volunteered to help out an old age home from June 23rd to July 18th. So how many days did she volunteer? We need to find the number of the days from 23rd June to July 18th. What, my dear all students? See, we have to find a 23rd June to July 18th. Okay. So all my dear students, we need to find the numbers day from the 23rd June 23rd to July 18th. Remember June has a 13 days. Okay, dear. So dear all students, attention here all. Okay, and note down this example, dear, means sum. So dear, what we have to do, we have to remember the June has 13 days. We have to keep it in mind in which month how many days will come, 30 days or 31 days. So in June, my dear students, 30 days will come. In July, 31st means 31 days. So number of days she volunteered in June, 30 minus 22. He started from 23rd July. So 30 minus 22 is equal to 8 days. Okay. And then after, my dear students, 1st July to 18th July. Okay. 1st July to 18th July. So now here let's check the number of days volunteer in July. 18 days. 1st July to 18th July. It's how many days over there? 18 days. Okay. So a total number of days 1st July to 18th July, 18 days, and 22 June to 30 June. It's 8 days. So 18 plus 8 is equal to 26 days. How many days, my dear students, over there? There are 26 days. So Sakshi volunteered for 26 days. Sakshi volunteered for 26 days. So all my dear students, as like that we are going to count the days. As like that we are going to calculating days. Again I am going to repeat for the question for you question number 1. Sakshi is the name of one girl. Okay, dear. Sakshi is the name of one girl. She volunteered to help out an old age home from the June 23rd to July 18th. Okay, Sakshi volunteered to help out at an old age home from June 23rd to July 18th. How many days did she volunteer? Means we need to help find a number of the days from 23rd June to July 18th. Remember, June has 13 days. Means 22 to 30. How many days over there? 8 days. 22 to 13. So there are 8 days. And 1st July to 18th July, my dear students, there are 18 days. How many days over there? 18 days. So what we have to do? We have to do here the addition. 18 plus 8. So 18 plus 8, my dear students, is equal to 26. How many? 26. So 26 days. So how can we will going to write the answer? So total number of 26 days. So answer is Sakshi volunteered for 26 days. How many days she volunteered there? 26 days. We subtract 22 days instead of 23 days because we include 23rd June also. What we had included over there? We have included that 23 days because we included 23rd June also. Got my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear all students. Note down these things, my dear students, and then after we will move on further. I'll give you time, my dear students. Note down this example. And then, my dear students, we will going to solve the example number 2. What we are going to solve then after? We are going to solve the example number 2. So note down these all things dear in your book. Do fast. So now I am going to explain the example number 2, my dear students. What is the example number 2? Example number 2 is how many days are from March 5th to May 4th? How many days from March 5th to May 4th? Means 5th March to 4th May. Got my points, all dear students? What I am telling you, note down the question first. And then, my dear students, then we are going to solve the answer. Okay, so including only the first day. Hint: March has a 31st days. In March, how many days, my dear students? In March, 31 days. Okay, in March, 31 days. Got my points? March 5th to May 4th. So 1st May to 4th May is equal to 4th days. And my dear students, 5th March to 31st March is equal to how many days? 13 days. Okay, not a 13, my dear students. We not a 13. It's a how many days over there? A 26. Okay, 5 March to till 31st March is this a 26 days. See here. In March, April and May, 6 months. So in March, my dear students, we have how many days over there? 5th March to 31st March is equal to 26 days. 5th March to 31st March. 5th March to 31st March is equal to 26 days over there. And then second, whole April month, full April month, means in April, 1st April to 30 April. Okay, 1st April to 30 April, that is a 13 days. Okay, and 1st April to 4th April, 4th days. So 13 plus 26 plus 4. 26 plus 4 is equal to 30, and 30 plus 30 is equal to 16 days. So total number of the days, a 36th month of the March, 13 days of the April, and 4th day of the May. So there are 16 days. How many days over there, my dear students? There are 16 days. How many days over there, my dear students? There are 16 days. Understood all of you? Note down this all things, my dear all students. What I am telling you, we have to keep it in mind, the all things dear in your book. We have to keep it in mind, this all things, my dear students. And the answer is what? There are 16 days from March 5th to May 4th. March 5th to 4th May. So you have to keep it in mind, these three. Okay, dear all. And one more important topic, use the knuckles to remember. K is silent over there. Okay, my dear students, knuckles to remember the number of the days in month. Okay, so try to do these things, my dear students. All the knuckles show the month with the 31st days. Means, see, the knuckle is what? The slop finger here shown in figure. See, my dear students. Okay, you have to keep it in mind, this figure, and then after we will going to solve this topic. Understood all of you? I hope you all are understood. So dear, as like that we are going to learn a name of the month. In which month will come a 13 days and 31 days. Okay, dear. So now by the knuckles, method of the knuckles, we are going to learn. Okay, so again I am going to repeat for you. Use the knuckles to remember the number of the days. What, my dear students? We are going to use your knuckles to remember the number of the days in a month. All the knuckles show the month with a 30 days. Means the knuckles. Okay. See, this all knuckles shows a what? A month with a 31st, means 31 days. The other aspect of February have a 13 days. In February month, my dear students, 28 or 29 days will come. Means if leap year it will become, so it's a 29 days, otherwise is a 28 days. Okay, got my points all of you, what I am telling you? So please keep it in mind, this all things dear in your mind. You can also February as a 28 days every year, but 29 days here are leap year, as per I was told you before. Okay, so we know that February is how many days in February, my dear students? In February month, 28 days. Okay, and if 29 February means 29 days in February, so those year was we called a leap year. Got my points all of you? So note down this all things dear all. And why do we need a extra day every 4 years? Okay, means in after 4 years, one day will come, and it one day means one day will become a more, and it's called that the whole year name is leap year. Whole year name is what, dear? Leap year. Okay, after 4 years, there are in whole year 365 days not over there. There are 366 days. It's called a leap year. In which year 366 days will come, it's called a leap year. And each and every 4 year, after a 4 year means completing 4 year, 5 year. After 5 years, it will become a leap year. Got my points all of you, what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood, my dear all students. So note down these things dear in your book. Do fast. These all things, my dear. And then after we will check the contents of knuckles. So please note down this all important sentence. All the knuckles show the month with 31 days. All the other have a 30 days, 31 and 30 days. All the knuckles show the month with a 31 days. The other aspect of February have a 13 days. Aspect of February means not a consider February. The others have a 30 days. You know that the February has a 28 days every year, but a 29 days every leap year. 29 days every leap year. Okay, and here is downside is what? Downside is the agenda of the leap year, my dear students. So let's check. Why do we need an extra day every 4 years? Why do we need an extra day every 4 years? So the first point, the earth take a 365 days, a quarter days to go to around the sun. When sun is rotate around the earth, so it's take a time of quarter days, okay, 365. An ordinary year is taken as a 365 days only. An ordinary year is taken as a 365 days only. Four quarters are put together. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 1. Okay, as per we know the rules of fraction, it's a same, means 1. To make an extra large every, means a 1/4 is what? 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 is equal to 100. Got my points? So it's like that, it's the 1. To make an extra day every 4 years. Every 4 years. This is added on the leap year. So there are 316 days in a leap year. See my dear students, a 4 quarters, it will be make a 1. And that 1 day, it will be included in a 365 days. 365 days plus 1 day is equal to 66 days, and it's called a leap year. What it's called, my dear students? It's called a leap year. Got my points? All of you note down these things dear in your book. See, here is the reded part, a reded month, it's a knuckle. Okay, and it shows a 21 days in a month. In a 21 days in a month. Okay, dear all students, this is your both hand, my dear students. First is this right hand and this left hand. Got my points, all of you? This is a right hand and this is a right hand and this is a left hand. Okay, my dear all students, note down these important things in your book, dear. Do fast. You have to draw the shape of the knuckles, means shape of the hand, and then after you have to write here the name of the month. First of all, you have to draw the right hand and then after you have to draw the left hand. Got my points, all dear students? Here, what you have to draw? You have to draw here a right hand and you have to draw here the left hand over there. Okay, so first of all, we are going to check the left hand. Okay, we are going to count the month to starting from the left hand to a last finger. So January, then down part is the February, March, upside, downside is April, upper side is May, downside is June, and then July, then after here is August, September, October, November and December. Got my points, all dear students? So all knuckles part shows a 31 days. Okay, and down parts is shows what, my dear students? It shows 30 days in a month. Okay, knuckle. Got my point, all of you? Knuckle. Okay, so all knuckle part shows a 31 days. See, 31st January, 31st March, 31st May, 31st July, 31st August, 31st October and 31st December. Okay, so let's check that all the concept of the knuckles means 31st or 13 days the concept. Okay, so note down this term dear, do fast. And then after we are going to make a one list in which month is coming on 31 day or 13 days. Exceptional only February. In February, my dear students, there are 28 days. If leap year is there, so it's 29 days over there. Do fast all dear students. Then after we will going to make a one list. Do fast beta. You have to write all things, 31st January, 28th February with the different pen or pencil you have to use here. Got my points all dear students? Note down this all things in your book dear. I hope you all are understood dear. And then in the right hand, first of all we are going to take the left hand, then after we are going to take the right hand. Okay, so all my dear students, we are going to check in which month have a 31 days. In which month have a 31 days. How many days? 31 days. So note down these things dear, note down this point. Then after here is month, number, month name and month days. So those are given the month. In whole month, there is a 31 days. How many days over there? 31 days. Got my points all of you? Note down these important things in your book my dear students. I hope you all are understood. Do fast beta. So month we first, third, 5, 7, 8, 10 or 12. January, in January 21 days will come. In January 21 days will come. In March also 31 days. Then after third is May. In May also 31 days. In May also 31 days. And then after January, March, May. Then after the July. After July, it will become August. In August, there are 21 days. And then October, in October also 31 days. Put my points all dear students. And then last December, in December is also there 31 days. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7. How many days are how many months in a whole year? There are 12 months. 12 out of 7 months is 31 days. Okay, got my points all of you? I hope you all are understood my dear students. You have to note down the whole things. So all my dear students, you make a list of 31 days will come in a whole year and 30 days will come in whole year. Okay, exceptional only the February. In February month my dear students, in February only 1 month is 28 days. If leap year will become over there, so it's 29 days. Got my points all of you? I hope you all are understood, dear, what I am telling you. Got my points? Then after we will move on further, dear. See my dear students again. See my dear students, again you have to draw this hand, and then after white colors month means January, March, May, July, August, October, December. That all are show the 31 days. Okay. And in February, April, June, September, November, they all are present at 30 days. So do fast, all my dear. Here is the what, all dear students? Here is January, March, May, July, August, October and December. It's all a what? It's all a 31 days. Okay. It's all a 31 days. Note down this term, dear. And then here is what? And then here is my dear students, here is what? Here is 13 days in a whole year. In whole full month and year also. Okay. I hope you all are understood, dear, my dear students. So note down these things in your book. Okay. I hope you all are understood. So my dear students, thank you so much, dear all students, for watching this video. Thank you all of you. Thank you, my dear students.